So I just asked a simple question, but he in his mind thought, oh, I hate Sultana, that's why I'm making it a big deal. No, it was about who's going to approach a third person.
I mean, like, in all honesty, y'all understand each other to an extent. At the end of the day, you need to communicate every single aspect of the way. Because let's be honest, yeah, this is the first week. I'm still learning things about Otega. I'm still learning things about Victory. I'm still learning things about you.
Well, I think it's a matter of...
I should be able to say things to my person and not be judged for it. So it's really frustrating that he's making me who I'm not. Do you get? I'm never jealous of people. Like, I'm in my own world. Like, I think I'm the queen of my own world. The world revolves around me. So for me to say things and you think, oh, I'm jealous of a girl, or yesterday he asked me in the party, should he stop talking to Sultana? Like, what has transpired here that translates to me wanting him to stop talking to Sultana? He should give me the grace of getting to learn about me rather than assuming the worst each time.
Then that's what you need to tell him.
She's talking, right? First of all, I love your hair. I wanted to tell you, like, length, amazing. Well,
you people love each other. Please, let me go find my own man.
Back to me being angry.
You go focus and pack. I'm gonna hear this side. So I know, like, you already told me that, like, it's just a joke and everything, but do you like her?
Who?
Sabrina.
Yes. But guess what? Every single day she gives me a reason to...
It's diminishing day by day.
Because, first of all, right, one thing I don't do is... My parents have never insulted each other. So if I'm angry at you, like really angry at you, I don't talk to you, I just walk away.
Yeah.
To get. Which was really hurtful, because the thing that happened yesterday was, I was speaking to Fabara, and I was using style to wait for her to finish talking to Kola, right? And now she has the narrative of, oh, every time I'm speaking to Kola, he's always come. No, bro. To be honest, again, my attachment style is very secured.
Yeah.
I do not care. Like, she could have a whole new boyfriend in here, and I would not move. You will not see me, like me. I'll be dying inside, but you will never know.
Yeah.
Because that's how I am. And Sultana is my friend. Fubara is my friend. So I'm like, hey, Sultana, Fubara, they call you. I just turned and Madame was angry. And she was like, this is what I'm saying. Your attention is not even here. I'm like, what are you talking about?